Do you want to be more likable? Ever wondered why some people are just naturally charming? Welcome to our journey where we decode the art of being irresistibly likable. It's not about changing who you are, but about enhancing your natural charm. It's about understanding that being charm opens doors, creates harmonious relationships, and makes life more enjoyable. Today, we'll delve into the secrets behind becoming irresistibly likable. So, stay tuned. People who know the art of listening are more likable. It's true, friends. Active listening isn't just about being quiet while the other person talks. It's about showing genuine interest, asking relevant questions, and responding in a way that shows you understand. It's a sign of respect. Think about it. Who do you gravitate towards? The talker or the listener? Don't forget to share your experiences with good and bad listeners in the comment box. Lend an ear and watch how you become the favorite in the room. Ever noticed how authentic people draw others towards them? There's something irresistible about someone who's genuine, who's true to themselves, and honest in their interactions. It's a magnet that pulls us in. Friends, authenticity is not about putting on a show. It's about revealing your true self, embracing your quirks, and being unapologetically you. So think about it and share with us in the comment box. When were you last captivated by authenticity? Have you been around someone whose positivity is contagious? Their radiant energy just seems to light up the room, doesn't it? This is the power of positivity. Now imagine combining that with empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's like a magnet that draws people in. It creates a bond that's hard to break. Positivity and empathy are the twin pillars of likability. So there you have it, the secrets to being irresistibly likable that are the importance of listening, authenticity, positivity, and empathy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.